two numbers are in the ratio 7:9 and their difference is 6. The numbers will be, here difference is 6, 21, 27, difference 6, 42, 54, difference 12, cross, 49, 55, difference 6, 91, 97, difference 6. Second option, 7:9. 7 3 ja 21, 9 3 ja 27. The option A will be the answer. Second method, 9x minus 7x equal to 6. So x will be 2x will be 6, x will be 3. The numbers are 9x, 27, 21. Answer will be 21, 27, option A.